The two questions that you have before the question, right? They gave you express 5.08667 and 0.009864. So three significant figure. And it's kind of very quick to do. I have 5.08667. If I'm to express this number in three significant figure, that is three Fox non-zero digits. So for this number now, which is a 5.08667, right? The first three significant figure, this 5 is a significant figure because not 0, right? We're going to have 5.0 to be 08. You can now count 1, 2, 3, three significant figures, right? This 5, this significant figure here, made this 0 a significant figure. This 5 here made this 0 what? Significant. If this I'll be happy to hear about your own tricks that you need to solve math. That we get an answer very quickly. Okay, so we have n as what? Number of times. So if it is for the first time, this is going to be what? T1. If it is for second time, it will be what? T2. So here now we have T1 is equal to 3 times what? 2 raised to the power 2 minus what? 1. So I have 3 times 2 raised to the power what? 1. So 3 times 2 will give me what? 6. Right? I'm going to get 6. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes. Then this one is 3 times 2 raised to the power 2 minus 2. Right? Yes, now. N is 2 in this case. So I'm going to have 3 times 2 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is what? Any number raised to the power 0 is what?
Is 1.
1. So I have 3 times 1. And 3 times 1 is what? 3. This one is a 3 times 2 raised to the power 2 minus 3, which is 3 times 2 raised to the power minus 1. Are we together now? So we're going to have 3 times 1 over 2. So which is equal to 3 over what? 2.
So that is arranged 6 over 3 over 3 over 2.
6. You know why we have it as 1 over 2, right? Because of this is a negative number. To show that it's a fraction, right? Good. So 1 over 2 raised to the power 1 is same thing as 2. So we have T1, that's the first time is what? 6. Second time is what? 3. And then third time is what? 3 over 2. That's it.
Okay.
So we have the next question. Simplify this quadratic.
The number 7 half.
Okay, so we have 36 1 over 2 times 64 minus 1 over 2 times 5 raised to the power 0. So what does it mean for us? What's the first thing? Fractional index law will come to your mind in indices. So the fractional index law states that whenever you have a fraction as the index or the power,
Wait, space that.
whenever you have a fraction as the index or power
Wait.
of a number, as the index or power of a number, it is always equal to the root of the denominator and the power of the numerator. The root of the denominator and the power of the numerator. So that means if I have 36 raised to power what? 1 over 2. This is going to be the same thing as saying, remember, the denominator becomes the what? The root. And then the numerator becomes the what? Power. So the denominator becomes the root, and then the numerator becomes the what? Power. Times this 64 minus. There is minus on top here. So whenever you see minus sign, what do? It's always 1 over, right? So we're going to have 1 over 64 raised to power 1 over 2 times 5 raised to power 0. Next thing like that. So second root of 6. 6. You almost forgot that. 6 raised to power 1 times 1 over. So we have 64 raised to power 1 over 2. Same thing you're going to do. Second root of what? 64 raised to power what? 1 times 5 raised to power 0. So this becomes your 6 times 1 over 10 cube 8 times 5 raised to power 0, which is 6 times 1 over 8 is what? 6 over 8, are we now? Times 1. 10 raised to power 0 is 1. So I have 6 over 8, which is the same thing as, we're going to reduce it to the lowest term. 2 going to 6 is what? 3. 2 going to 8 is what? 4. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. One oh one in base 2, right? Minus 1 in base 2 as well. So what are we going to do? We have 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 0 minus 1 can't go, right? So I borrow. And remember, in base 2, whatever you borrow is what? 2. So 2 minus 1 is what? That's 10. That's 10. Option B. Okay, so the next one, say if 3 children share 10 naira 50 kobo among themselves in a ratio 6:7:8, how much is the largest? That means you need to find how much the first person got, and then the second person will talk. But we need to spend how much time? So we have total ratio first. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Total ratio will be what? That means you add all the ratios together. 6 plus 7 plus what? 8. 6 plus 7 plus 8 will give us what? 20. 21. Are you sure? This is a 10, 21, correct? 21. So we're going to have, for the first guy, 6 over what? 21. Times what? 10.50. So what am I going to have now? What do I do? 3 can go here. But can 3 go here? Yeah. 3 can go into 21 to give us 7. 3 go into a... Or just stand, you have a calculator, have you? Just point it. 6 over 21 times 10.50. 6 divided by 21 times 10.50 is what? 3. Good. So, the first person will get 3 naira. Then the second person will get 7 over 21 times 10.50. So what would that be? 7 over 21 times 10.50.
3.5.
3.5. That's 3 naira 50 kobo. The next person, 8 over 21 times 10.50, of course. This depends on how have the highest. So 8 over 21 times 10.50. What do you get? Obviously 4, right?
4.
4, right? 4 naira. So, but in your own case, you don't need to, whenever it's an objective question, you don't need to spend much time trying to find how much each of them got. You don't know that the person that would have the highest ratio obviously has the highest share. Because the question says, how much is the largest? The largest is going to be this guy with 8, right? So you just go and solve that one for that 8 and then you get your answer.
So the answer is 8.
The answer is what? 4 naira. How much is the largest share? The largest share is what? 4 naira.
So what letter?
That is option C. Okay, and we have a ball is bought for 15 naira. Seems too cheap. A ball is bought for 15 naira and sold for 18 naira. Calculate the percentage profit. First thing you find is what? Profit. How much profit did you make? 30 naira. So you have 50 minus what? Sorry, 80 minus 50. You get what? 30 naira. So you're not going to have what? 30 all over. The cost price is what? How much did you buy it? 15 naira times what? 100 over 1. This cancels this. Here is 1. Here is what? 2. 30 times 2 is what? 60. 60%. HCF of 32, 48, and 36. So how do I find it? A very simple way to find it is by drawing something straight like this and then going through this. So what can divide all of them without remainder? 2 can go, right? So 2 going to 32, you get to 16, abi? 2 going to 48, you get to 12. Sorry, 24. 2 going to 36, you get what? 18. How will you use again? You use 2 again. 2 going to 16 is what? 8. 2 going to 24 is 12. 2 going to 18 is what? 9. Can anything go through again? No, right? 2 can divide 8 and 12, but can't divide 9. 3 can divide 12 and 9, but can't divide 8. So we have 2 times 2. Our HCF, 2 times 2, which is what? 4. Right? So the HCF is what? 4. B. So the next one said arrange in ascending order of magnitude. Arrange in ascending order of magnitude. That's the last question. So we have 3 over 4, 5 over 6, 2 over 3, and 4 over 5 in ascending order. Will be, how do I arrange this? We have 4, 6, 3, and what? 5. What can go through? We have 2. 2 going to 4 is 2. 2 going to 6 is 3. 2 cannot go into 3. 2 can also go into what? 5. The next thing is 3. But we repeat 2 again. Here is 1. 2 cannot go into 3. Cannot go into 5. 3, 1, 1, 1, then 5. Then 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60. So the LCM is 60. So LCM is equal to 60. What do you now do with this LCM that is 60?
60 divided by 4, then times 4.
Good. So you now get 3 over 4 times what? 60. That will give us what? 4 years 1. 4 years 20. 4 years what would that be? 15, right? 15 times 3.
45.
Are you sure? 45. Then the next one, 5 over 6 times 60. Here's 10. 6 going to itself is 1. 6 going to 60 is what? 10. So 10 times 5, 50. Then 2 over 3 times 60. 3 go here is 1. 3 going here is 20. 20 times 2 is what? 40. Then we have 4 over 5 times 60. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 12. 12 times 4 is what? 48. So among these ones, now which one is the biggest? Ascending it from what?
From the big.
Ascending.
From,
What did you do? Did you ascended into heaven? How did you go?
from earth to heaven.
Good. That's from down to up. From the most little number to the highest number.
So 2 over 3.
The little is what? 2 over 3, which is 40, right? We have 2 over 3, and followed by
3 over
3 over 4, followed by
4 over 5.
4 over 5,
Then 5 over 6.
then 5 over 6.
Keep believing you can win.